Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am giving this away. At the end of this video, there is a giveaway. I'm giving away the Kylie Jenner Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day palette from her Valentine's Day collection of 2019. It's gorgeous, and this tutorial is done using this palette. Big surprise there. So if you're interested in a really girly, pretty, light Valentine's Day makeup eye look, then just keep watching. If you're interested in winning this, then just keep watching. It's free, it's super easy, and you should definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That's all I got. We're gonna jump into the tutorial now, and like I said, giveaways at the end of the video. Like I said, we are using the Kylie Jenner Valentine's Day palette. This is what it looks like. I love her name here in this really pretty plastic pink. I think that's really pretty up against the matte flat pink. These are the colors in the palette. They're really pretty. I'm going to be sticking kind of to this half over here today, just because I did do a smoky eye on my channel like a week ago. So that was my bold Valentine's Day look. Now we're going for a more softer, muted, girly, soft Valentine's Day look. This is a really pretty palette. I've been really into pinks more so recently than I have been in the past. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I just wanted to show you guys what the palette looks like real quick, and here we go. First shade I'm gonna go ahead and pick up is Princess, which is this shade right down here in the corner. This is gonna serve as my transition shade. So I am using that on a Morphe brush. It came in a set, so I will leave the set linked down below. But yeah. And since this is going to be my transition shade, we don't have to be like crazy careful about where it goes. We just want to make sure it gets in the crease somehow. This is just going to help everything else we put down blend out a lot easier. The next shade I'm picking up is February, which is this really pretty shade right here. I love that it is not bubblegum pink, but it's still pink, and it's not quite as dusty rose taupey as Pink Problem. So again, I'm picking up February. I'm just using another blending brush. I am going to kind of go right over top of Princess, but keep it a little bit more controlled. I don't want this look to be like hit you in the face pink, but I definitely want a little bit of pink to be showing through. Remember, we're going for girly and soft, and what better colors to use than pink? Next, oh god, I almost dropped it. I am picking up Pink Problems right here. So like I mentioned before, this is that kind of dusty, muted taupe color. I'm using this looks like a blending brush still, but I'm going to use it to pack kind of starting here at my outer corner and slowly work it up into my crease. And again, remember, this isn't a super dark shade, so this is going to be a nice, light, pretty look. And then I will go ahead and blend the rest into my crease. So I lied. I am picking up a little bit of Admire, which is this shade right down chill. What am I looking at? Oh, those are my boobs. Okay. Anyway, back to what I'm saying. We are using Admire right down here. And I am not going to be like packing this on. Like I said, this is not going to be a dramatic look. So I just have a small little detailing brush. I'm going to start right here on my outer corner, and I barely have anything on my brush at all. This shade definitely is buildable. I can give you guys swatches at the end if you want. Although I'm sure you've already seen them, and swatches have nothing to do with how the product works, but it's always fun. So I'm just going to lightly kind of keep packing just like so. Just like that. Where's my brush? And then the brush that I used, February, which is the really pink shade on, I'm just going to really lightly diffuse the outer corners of what I just put on. Just like that, just for a little more definition. Guys, I'm thinking this might be my Valentine's Day look. I like this. Me gustalo. Then since my under eye is already done using Love Bug, no additional product, I'm kind of just going to start to Now I'm using additional product. I'm putting this on my lower lash line. I don't know why I'm saying Love Bug. I have not been using this shade. It's just because I've been looking at it. I have only been using this shade. This is the only shade I put on my outer corner and now on my lower lash line. I don't know. I'm on like crack or something right now. I don't know. And then I'm just picking up a larger blending brush and I'm going in with February, which is our Pretty Pretty Pink shade. And I'm just going to go over top of Admire, our dark brown. Finally got the right shade. And just kind of diffuse this out. I know you guys are like, really? Is it necessary to use a big blending brush? No, but I'm gonna. So right now I know, I'm looking a little dark and heavy, but don't worry, we are going to lighten this up with my lid shade, which I'm really excited about. I've been obsessed with these top two shades right here. This one is Blush, and this one is Heartthrob. They're gorgeous. So for my lid shade, I'm going to be using Blush today, which honestly I think is my favorite color in the whole palette. That's just, I'm so drawn to that. I definitely want to dig into more of these crazy ones some other time, not right now, but so far Blush is my favorite shade. I just think it's gorgeous. So what's a girl is going so. So I have some of the product here on my brush and I'm going to spray it with some Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray just to make it pop even more. Try not to get your mirror wet when you do this like I just did. And we are going to apply to the lid. And there's nothing like pow about this color, but I just love how you can use this for summer, you can use this for spring. I live for these gold but not quite gold shades. This is like a really pretty, it's like a golden champagne. And I love it. Now what I'm going to do is take Admire, which is the darkest shade that I've used, pack a little bit more here and start to literally just pat it in, working my way in towards the middle of my lid just to blend those two shades together, and boom, we're blended. So now what we're going to do is slice some mascara. I am using this e.l.f. Length and Volume Mascara. The wand on it is like really small, but I'm not mad about it, you know? So this is the difference the mascara makes. It's pretty good actually, and it's only like $3 or $4, I think, something like that. If not, it's like 5 or 6, but either way, still very affordable, and I really like it. For lashes today, surprise, surprise, I'm using my Salon Perfect 614s. These are great if you want a wispy but not heavy and super full lash. These are just gonna kind of add to the little, if you bat your eyes, you know, that's what it is. That's all it is. Now that that's done, ladies and gents, we are using the color Heartthrob, which is the super light one in the palette, and that's going to be my inner corner highlight as well as my brow bone highlight. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I love these colors. I don't know if I mentioned, maybe I cut it out or didn't, but I love these muted, rosy, taupey, pinkish colors. I think they're so pretty, so even spring appropriate aside from Valentine's Day, so perfect timing for this palette. I love the lid shade. I adore it. I'm going to be definitely dipping back into the palette for that. And that's pretty much all I got regarding the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy it. And now we're going to get into the giveaway. So like I mentioned, I am giving this palette away. I have an extra one here for one of you lucky people watching this video. All you need to do is click the gleam.io link. It is the first link in my description box. Once you click on it, you're going to see there are 2 channels you need to subscribe to, mine and one other channel to subscribe to. So make sure you subscribe to those channels and then you are locked and loaded, and then you'll see there are also 4 or 5 additional entries that you can make. So there are definitely some good chances for you, okay? I'm just gonna put that out there. Anyway, click that gleam.io link, subscribe to the channels, and that is how you win. The giveaway is going to be 1 week long, so from today, February 12th, until next week, February 19th. That is when it will end at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then the only other real information you need to know is that it is international, so anyone anywhere can win. If you are under 18, you can still win. Just make sure that you have a parent or guardian's permission to enter the giveaway, because if you do win, I'm going to need your address, and I don't want to just be some creepy person sending random mail to your house without your parents knowing, because that's not going to look good. So make sure you do that. I think I covered everything. It's international. Any age can win. Click the gleam.io link and subscribe to the channels and get all your additional entries in so you get a higher chance of winning. And if I missed anything, it's going to be down below in the description box. So that's all I got. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck on the giveaway. Bye, guys. Before I go, make sure you watch some more videos of mine. I'm going to leave them right here, right after my face goes away. Right here.